Alright, going to be walking you guys through one of my workouts. Back and chest day today. Nothing too special. What I'm trying to actually focus on is getting stronger in the pull-up, getting stronger overall in the back, because my chest is very dominant. But what I found is helping out a lot is if you get a stronger back, you're more stable. You're gonna get a lot stronger in a lot of different exercises. Even the barbell squat, your deadlift, everything. So your back is the foundation for a lot of different movements, a lot of different muscle groups, and in general, your overall physique. 10-15 minutes warm up, slide incline on the treadmill for speed, and then start off the workout. Yeah, we got our last set for the pull-ups now.
I made it. Yes, sir.
This guy made it. Took him only 45 minutes in Bali traffic. So this is the last set of the pull-ups.
Easy. Come on. One more, come on. Deswegen, ich weiß nicht, wie das mit Trainieren halt danach aussehen wird. Weil ich dann halt ja 2 Tage da bleiben werde, dann halt nur vielleicht einen Tag hier und dann wieder zurück.
Let's get it, come on. So we're just about finishing off with the dumbbell rows. So we've covered the pull-ups, we've done machine rows. Now we're doing bent over dumbbell rows. And after that we're moving on to incline pressing, then chest fly. Everything is incline because typically the lower chest is like way too easy to develop, and it develops very rapidly for most guys. So focusing on the upper chest, always. Oh, there's nothing to tell. It's a good day, man.
God is great, yeah?
Yeah, God is good. Easy. Woo! How are you feeling?
Feeling amazing. Every day is a blessing, yeah?
Just finished off a phenomenal workout. Got the boys waiting for me by the pool. They're hungry.
We're waiting for you, bro. It's okay.
But I'm okay to fail, bro.
Nah, for sure.
Give a fuck.
I feel like with that attitude, you're gonna fail.
Yeah.
You're gonna
You need to believe in yourself, man.
That's
The
true.
fuck?
That's true.
You can, you do, you will.
Be to have. For the views, baby.
Spider-Man.
How long was that?
How long?
How long?
Up and down.
It's like 0.5 seconds.
Fuck.
You should land like Spider-Man.
Food time. We're all eating Muscle Max. Mac and cheese, protein,
Biscoff protein shake.
Biscoff protein shakes.
The
We're
best.
locked and loaded.